Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I wish you all are fine. I'm your teacher Sadia Arshad. Today the day is Monday and date is 25th January. The subject that we are going to study that is English, and the topic again very familiar to you, CVC words. I hope this topic is a little bit boring for you now because it has been repeated so many times. But the thing is that I want to repeat it again and again. I just want you to learn 3-letter words actually. You have to a good recognition about the words. So your vocabulary will increase and it will help you to learn other English things. Like it will be easy for you to learn word opposite, word sentences, masculine, feminine, and your essays. So I am focusing on the small letter words for you so you can learn them easily. Let's jump to the next page. Okay. Today the topic that we are going to discuss is CVC scramble. Scramble means that they asked you to say it, unscramble it, write it. Means in the first block they have given you the pictures. In second block, the words they have given you, they are jumbled up. They are not in a correct sequence. So they asked you to first read it, then make the words in a right sequence, and then write the correct spellings of the words in this block. Let me read it for you first. Say it. Cat, pan, map, bag, hat, tap. Now in the next block, all the spellings are in a wrong sequence. Now you have to write it in the correct sequence in this block where it has written right here. Now let's come to the next page. Say it, unscramble it, write it. Cat, C-A-T, cat, C-A-T, cat. Next is pan, P-A-N, pan, P-A-N, pan. Map, M-A-P, map, M-A-P, map. Next is bag, B-A-G, bag, B-A-G, bag. The next one is hat, H-A-T, hat. Sorry, let me write it. Hat, H-A-T, hat. Sorry. And again, the correct word has written over here, H-A-T, hat. And the last one is tap, T-A-P, tap, T-A-P, tap. So this is the way you have to write this work in your English copy. I hope you understand it very well. This is your written plus oral work. Thank you. Have a nice day.